I'm just saying. Oh my god, I love this.
I do too. Okay, it's not that scary.
Yeah, we're not even halfway up it yet.
Shut up, Nikki. Okay. When I'm taller than my own height, it freaks me out.
Let's see if we can see
Oh
Taylor.
my god, look at everybody. I can't see Taylor.
So let's see if we could.
Oh my gosh. See our shadow.
This is amazing.
This is actually really cool. I'm over houses.
You taking a video or are you just pointing it
Oh, I'm taking a video.
in? Okay.
We're going to spin around.
Oh, okay. This ain't bad. Your face.
That face though.
Huh?
That face though.
Oh, yes. My legs wasn't long enough to reach the bottom of the thing. I had to sit on the basket and throw myself in.
Well, I did too, but I didn't have to as bad. She got cupcakes.
Of course you would notice that.
They don't look good.
I think I would die. Who?
No, right here.
I'm not looking.
Why?
I'm looking at the ground, but I don't like cupcakes.
Well, I don't like purple ones that look like cinnamon rolls.
Maybe you gotta call.
Hello? Hi.
Look how small everybody looks.
I know.
Oh, they're clapping because we did it.
Yeah, it's for us. It's not for that really lame card trick.
Nah.
Yeah, I mean,
The one with the cards on his
pretty
head?
good bid,
Yeah.
though. I mean, I saw it last night.
Oh,
but I
it
couldn't
is.
tell-
Oh, we're
I
going
couldn't tell
down.
what was wrong.
Going down ain't that fun.
I think the going down's better.
What? Haha!
This is,
We're videotaping her at the same time.